In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Biometrics and Security. Then tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Now you can click on More about face recognition and read all of those instructions and disclaimers. When you're ready, hit Continue. Now you need to answer this question: do you wear glasses? Click on the right answer and hit Continue. Remember to keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for 100% mark. Then you can turn on or off Stay on Lock Screen feature and hit Done. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!